Hey Team Inspire, it is your fearless leader here. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, hope all is awesome. This is just a super fast reminder that the year is ending, and with that there are some really important things tax-wise that you need to do. Whether you are filing taxes for this year or you file taxes for next year, you have to have this information. And let me just say that you should file taxes for Mary Kay because you get tons of deductions. Would you love to write off a portion of your mortgage, all your utility bills, your car, payments, expenses, repairs, all of that? Simply because you have a business in your home, you can qualify for all of that stuff, regardless of if you make a ton of money or very, very little. So I want to say to you, you should totally file your taxes for Mary Kay purposes. It is a huge benefit for you. But if you are going to do that, either for this past year or you plan on doing it at the end of next year and you're like, okay, that's a good thing, I should do it, then what you need is two things. You need, number one, your ending mileage on your car on December 31st at midnight. Wherever you're at, write down the ending miles. If you've been tracking your miles all year, that's going to be your closing mileage for your taxes. It's also going to be your starting mileage for 2019. So you need that number so that you can calculate. The second thing you need is a closing inventory. So whatever product is on your shelf when the year ends is your closing inventory. And those are products that are still in the catalog officially for sale. So if something has been discontinued, if it's, older product, it actually is a benefit to you on your taxes. So don't count it. Just count the products that are currently in the current book listed in that. You're going to add that up. What I like to do is I go onto Mary Kay in Touch and I start a new order and I just go, okay, I have 20 Time-Wise cleansers and I put a 20 update. I have 17 liquid foundations, update. You don't have to separate out by shade or by style. All that matters is that it's the same kind of product at the same price point. And you just need to know the totals. And so I put all of that in, I get my subtotal, and it shows me my wholesale amount and my retail value. That's my closing inventory. If you have products ordered that aren't here yet, you'll count those for next year as far as inventory on hand. So hopefully that makes sense. But what you really, really want to do is grab those numbers right away. Don't put it off. You'll forget and then it'll be overwhelming. Like, what did I sell? I can't remember. Did I sell anything last week? Just go ahead and do it on New Year's Day. Get it all set and you'll be ready for the new year. So I'm excited. I'm looking forward to sharing some things God's been doing in my life and celebrating a huge victory, promoting to a Premier Club Plus unit. We are literally on the doorstep. It is a done deal. Thank you in advance for every single one of you who has put any kind of order in over the past 6 months or had a customer order over the past 6 months, because you are a part of that victory. You're serving women, you're using our products, you're helping somebody feel great about what they're using and that they know what products they need for their lifestyle. And that is the greatest honor that we get to do for women. So thank you in advance. It is a joy to do this with you, and I'm looking forward to 2019.